Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts and D'ers. Welcome back to our channel for an exciting new series 5 Best Woodworking Tools. In this first part, we're diving headfirst into the world of woodworking to bring you the top 5 must-have tools that will take your craftsmanship to the next level. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. If you want to see more videos like this, please take a look at our playlists. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. DEWALT Cordless Drill Driver Kit. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful cordless drill, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit is the perfect tool for your needs. Designed with precision and durability in mind, this compact drill is a must-have for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. It features a half-inch keyless chuck, allowing you to easily switch between various drill bits for different tasks, from drilling holes in wood and metal to driving screws with ease. Its 20V Max lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting power, allowing you to tackle demanding projects without interruptions. It features a half-inch keyless chuck, allowing you to easily switch between various drill bits for different tasks, from drilling holes in wood and metal to driving screws with ease. Its 20V Max lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting power, allowing you to tackle demanding projects without interruptions. With the DEWALT cordless drill, you get a versatile and reliable cordless drill that meets your drilling and driving needs with ease. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated enthusiast, this drill kit is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Number 2. DEWALT Table Saw. For woodworking enthusiasts and professionals who demand precision and power, the DEWALT 10-inch table saw with rolling collapsible stand is a game changer. This table saw is engineered to deliver exceptional performance, making it a top choice for carpenters, contractors, and hobbyists alike. The DWE 7491 RS boasts a powerful 15-amp motor that effortlessly slices through hardwoods and other tough materials. Its 10-inch carbide blade with a 32.5-inch rip capacity ensures accurate and clean cuts, allowing you to tackle a wide range of projects, from simple cuts to intricate woodworking tasks. Safety is a top priority with the DWE 7491 RS. The Site Pro modular guarding system ensures secure and easy adjustments, while the onboard storage keeps essential accessories within reach. Number 3. DEWALT Benchtop Planer. Achieve smooth and precise thickness with the DEWALT Benchtop Planer DW734. This 12.5-inch planer is a robust and efficient tool that ensures your wood surfaces are flawlessly finished, making it ideal for professional carpenters, furniture makers, and avid D'ers. Powered by a 15-amp motor, the DW734 delivers a powerful and consistent feed rate, ensuring a smooth finish on both hardwoods and softwoods. The 3-knife cutter head operates at an impressive 20,000 RPM, guaranteeing clean cuts and minimizing snipe, the bane of planning operations. One of the standout features of the DW734 is its extra long in-feed and out-feed tables. These tables provide excellent support for your workpieces, reducing the risk of snipe and creating a more stable planning process. All in all, the DEWALT DW734 Benchtop Planer is a top-notch tool that delivers professional-grade planning results. Whether you're smoothing rough lumber or creating custom wood pieces, this planer is sure to become an indispensable part of your woodworking arsenal. Number 4. DEWALT Miter Saw. When precision cutting and versatility are paramount, the DEWALT 12-inch sliding compound miter saw DWS780 rises to the occasion. This corded miter saw is a true workhorse, designed to meet the demands of professional woodworkers, carpenters, and construction experts. The DWS780 features a powerful 15-amp motor that runs at 3,800 RPM, providing clean and accurate cuts through a variety of materials, including crown molding, baseboards, and lumber up to 16 inches in width. The double bevel capacity adds convenience to your workflow, allowing you to make bevel cuts in both directions without flipping the workpiece. One of the standout features of this miter saw is its lighting capability, enabling you to cut wider workpieces with ease. The XPS cross-cut positioning system casts a shadow on your material, indicating the exact cutting line and ensuring pinpoint accuracy. The rugged construction and innovative design make the DWS780 a reliable and durable tool for professional use. The dust collection system efficiently captures debris, keeping your work area clean and enhancing safety. Number 5. MYSWEETY 45-4500-watt CNC router machine. For those seeking to explore the world of CNC woodworking and metal milling, the MYSWEETY 4540 CNC router machine is an excellent choice. This powerful 3-axis router opens up a realm of creative possibilities for designers, artists, and craftsmen alike. The MYSWEETY 4540 CNC router machine is equipped with a robust 500W spindle motor that enables precise cutting and engraving on various materials, such as wood, acrylic, MDF, PCB, and plastic. The 3-axis design ensures accurate positioning and smooth movement, resulting in intricate and finely detailed creations. One of the standout features of this CNC router is its user-friendly interface and control system. Whether you're a novice or an experienced CNC operator, the intuitive software allows you to easily design and execute your projects. The sturdy frame and compact size make the MYSWEETY 4540 CNC router machine suitable for small workshops and home use. It's also lightweight enough for easy portability and storage. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.